In this video, I'm going to show you how to change sharing permissions in Gamma app quickly and correctly so you can control exactly who can view, comment, or edit your project. This is super useful if you're sharing a presentation, document, or workspace and want to make sure the right people have the right level of access. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software how-to guides, just like this. Now, let's jump in. First, open the Gamma project that you want to share. Once your project is open, look for the Share button, usually near the top of the screen. Click that Share option to open the sharing settings for your project. This is where Gamma lets you control how others can interact with your content. Inside the sharing window, look for the Access or Permission section. Gamma usually gives you a few different choices, depending on how much control you want to give other people. You may see options like Can View, Can Comment, or Can Edit. Each one does something different, so choose carefully based on what you want people to be able to do. If you only want someone to look at the project without making changes, choose Can View. If you want them to leave feedback without editing the actual content, choose Can Comment. And if you want them to actively make changes to the project, choose Can Edit. This step is important because it determines how secure and collaborative your Gamma project will be. Once you've selected the permission you want, make sure to save or apply the sharing change. Some versions of Gamma may update the setting automatically, while others may require you to confirm the change. So after selecting the new permission, always double-check that it has been applied correctly. If you're sharing the project with others, you may also want to copy the updated link. That way, you can send the correct version of the share link to teammates, clients, or collaborators. Copying the updated link is especially helpful if you changed permissions and want everyone to use the latest access settings. After that, you're all set. Your Gamma project sharing permission will now be updated, and the people you share it with will only have the access level you chose. This is a simple but powerful way to stay in control of your content while still making collaboration easy. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more Gamma tutorials and other software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.